In this video, I'm going to tell you how to start an online business for beginners. Now if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and subscribe, because then you won't miss out on new videos that we release. Let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'll give you some essential tips. Keep watching. Tip 1. Decide what type of online business to start. The first thing to think about is what kind of online business you want. There are many options, and depending on the type you choose, you'll have different ways to grow your business and make money. Here are the most popular types of online businesses: e-commerce stores selling physical products such as Amazon and eBay. Websites selling digital products, this could be ebooks and online courses. Selling social media content services, such as content creation for brands and businesses. Consulting or coaching programs, this might be a personal development coach or something like a fitness coach. Selling services such as digital marketing agencies, software development, or something such as web design. Software as a service, this could be online tools or maybe a subscription-based model. Niche blogs, this could be travel blogs, clothing, and fashion blogs. The most popular methods of making money from your online business are selling your own products, physical or digital, selling products directly to consumers on your own hosted website or through an online store on a third-party marketplace like eBay, Amazon, or Udemy. Advertising revenue, making money by selling ad space on your website either directly to advertisers or through an online platform like Google AdSense. Dropshipping, selling physical products on your own store but shipping and handling is done by the product manufacturer or B2B provider. You get a commission every time a product is sold. Affiliate marketing, you refer clients to the seller's website for either physical or digital products, and when a product is sold, you get a commission. Revenue from consulting services, you get paid for providing consulting services online, by email, Skype, or other means. Subscription-based model, you make money from people subscribing to your monthly services, for example, online tools or a membership website. Tip 2. Find your niche. Now that you have an idea of the different types of online businesses, the next step is to find your niche. In other words, to come up with an idea that can be transformed into an online business. This can be a difficult step because it has a lot of uncertainty. Nobody can tell you in advance if your idea is good or not. It's a risk that all business owners have to take, but this should not hold you back. The only way to find out if your idea is good is to try it on a small scale with a small budget. If the idea works well, grow it. If the idea does not work well, then learn and adapt and try something else. Here are some tips to find your niche. You should understand from the beginning that you don't have to come up with a unique idea in order to succeed online. If you can do it, then this will give you an advantage, but uniqueness is not a requirement for setting up an online business. You can take an existing idea and improve it, or create something, which could be a product, blog or service, that is better than what is already available on the internet. Here are some guidelines to help you out. Find what you are good at. Do you have any skills that you can use to help others accomplish a task, learn something, or solve a problem? Maybe you like teaching people how to fix things, or you like to write good stories to educate people on different subjects. Find what you believe you are really good at. Think of ways you can utilize your skills to create a product that people will be willing to pay money for. Are you an expert? Is there an area that you have the right training, qualifications, and experience to be considered an expert? This is a great candidate to explore further and find out if you can build a business around it. The internet is full of people claiming to be experts, so if you are a true expert on a topic, you will have an advantage over others. Can you spot any gaps in the marketplace? Are you looking for a solution to a problem and cannot find a good product or online resource to solve your problem? Can you spot any gaps in any industry that you can fill with a new product? Do you find that online content about a topic is incomplete or something that you can improve? All these questions will help you generate ideas that can possibly help you find the one idea to turn into an online business. The next step is to evaluate your ideas and decide if it's good or not. Tip 3. Evaluate your idea. Evaluating an idea means finding out if a particular idea is something that you can turn into an online business that will potentially generate profit. Here are some tips on how to evaluate an online business idea. Go to Google and search for keywords related to your idea. Don't just type in keywords that are directly related to your niche, but search for broad terms and terms that are indirectly related. Your goal at this stage is to find out what is already available in terms of websites, content, and products. How many websites can you find on the specific topics? What type of content do they have? Do they sell their own products or do they display ads on their websites? Go beyond the first page of Google and look for the second page as well. Some businesses don't pay the required attention to SEO, and while they have good products and content, their search engine optimization techniques are not good enough to rank high on Google. How would you rate the overall user experience when searching for this information? Can you offer something better to the users? Perform the same research on social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Try to figure out what kind of content is being published on those networks. Is it high-quality videos? Is it images, articles, products? How many interactions, likes, comments do the posts get? Okay, so those are a few tips to help you. Please leave a comment below, click the like button and subscribe to this channel now for more useful content. Now make sure you go and click the link in the description box below the video to check out the website. If you want more help on how to start an online business, I suggest you check out the online courses available. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.